I tried to make money on Twitter, which is now called X, with absolutely no money using a very cheeky tactic that I discovered. And no, it's not by posting feet pictures or promoting my OnlyFans link. I know you must be wondering if I actually made any money or how much money I actually made during this experiment.
Businessman and I do business.
But more on that later. So it all started on a day in November of 2022 when I was just sitting at my table watching a bunch of YouTube videos on how to get rich so I could move out of my mom's kitchen, and then I magically stumbled across this video that the YouTube gods sent for me.
To be honest, I don't know if you're anything like me, but I find myself wondering, is it possible that these spammers are actually making money? And is there anybody out there that's really reading these terrible comments and actually clicking the links and giving someone their money?
It was created by a channel called Buildapreneur, and the method that he mentioned in this video is a very sneaky one.
Gotcha, bitch.
So I made it my point of duty to try it out for myself, just to see if it's really possible to make money online with $0, especially on Twitter where I barely see anyone selling or promoting anything valuable. For me personally, I just see a bunch of memes and OnlyFans models sharing the memes. I know you must be thinking, like, why is this unknown guy wasting my time? Just get to the point. Alright, promise that you'll keep it a secret if I tell you though? Okay, the method is promoting Amazon affiliate links to people already looking to buy things but just need to know where to buy it. Was that too straight to the point? Okay, let me explain it much simpler for people who are slower in processing information just like me. In a nutshell, this business model is called affiliate marketing, and if you ever watched any of my other videos, you should already know what it is because I speak about it a lot. But if not, this is where you would promote someone else's product or services in exchange for a small commission. By doing this, you won't have to risk your hard-earned money starting a business, which might fail anyway, and end up in you losing the rest of your grocery money for the rest of the year.
Everybody says that money comes and goes, but mine is just going. Like, mine isn't coming back.
Lucky for us, Amazon is already an established business that almost everyone knows and trusts, so we'll be piggy banking off of Amazon's success. So the first thing that I did was to obviously join Amazon's affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associates. I then went over to Twitter and typed in "where can I buy" in the search box. This will then show you in real time the people that are looking for specific things to buy right now. And remember, we're in Q4, and this is around the same time I started this just last year. You must be wondering why I waited so long to upload a video about this method. Well, it's quite simple. I was homeless and I didn't have a YouTube channel. And Q4, also known as the fourth quarter of the year, is the time where most people will be looking for things to buy from Halloween going straight towards Christmas. So you would have more opportunities to make money versus if it was January, because most people would have already spent so much money buying gifts for Halloween, Cyber Monday, Black Friday, and even Christmas. So that's why I decided that this would be the perfect time to share this experiment. Anyways, as an example, this person is looking for this particular product. I will then come over to Amazon.com and search for related keywords to the product. Once I find it on Amazon, I then copy my special affiliate link for the product just like this, and just reply to this person's tweet with my link showing that they can get it here. And I literally just rinsed and repeated this for around 5 days until I eventually got tired. So how much did I actually make from doing this? Well, I made 2 separate accounts because for some reason my first Amazon Associates account got banned after a few days of replying to tweets with my affiliate link. But before the first account got banned, I actually made $47.21 within the first 2 days of doing this, and for around 2 hours or less each day. And that's because I was still kind of skeptical about this idea of just spamming my affiliate links all over Twitter just to make some money. And then when I saw that I could make this kind of money in such a short period of time, can you guess what I did?
This?
Yes,
How much?
2.2 million dirham.
Dirham?
Yes, dirham.
I need more. I need
No.
expensive, brother. I don't need this. Is what my driver would drive this?
Of course, I continued and went even harder with spamming my links. Heck, I even went over to reddit.com and just repeated the same exact process using the search bar and found some more people just looking to spend their money on a complete stranger's affiliate link. So what about the second account that I'd said I'd created though? With that account, I managed to make $92.20 in just 3 days of spamming my links on social media. You thought I would have stopped there, didn't you? Well, nah. I went ahead and created a third Amazon Associates account because for some reason the second one got banned as well. But by that time, I was kind of exhausted because I had already created a brand new account every 2 days or so, and it was just getting overwhelming and it takes up way too much time. And I am, after all, a very busy young man that needs to catch some Z's.
Rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day.
That's a third of your life. It ain't but 24 hours in a day. You cannot be sleep 8 hours a day.
Well, who said I wanted to be rich, Steve Harvey? Heck, I only sleep for 4 hours and I'm still broke. I know you laughed, but anyways, with the third account, I only made $11.83 though, because there weren't a lot of people still looking to buy products that I could actually find on Amazon, and I wasn't gonna stay on Twitter for the whole day just waiting for someone to make a tweet saying, I want to buy this, and then run to see if it's on Amazon. At this point, I decided that I needed a new side hustle that wouldn't take up so much manpower each and every day for it to work out. So I just scrapped it. Would I recommend you start this as a side hustle? Absolutely. That's if you're completely broke and desperate and also have a lot of time on your hands. But for me personally, I value my time way more than a lousy paycheck, and you should too. Just forget about the money. What problems can you fix for people so that they're more willing to give you their money? That's how you should be thinking, which is why we put together a 4 ebook bundle that will provide you the foundation to make money consistently by teaching you how to sell anything to anyone and succeed as a solopreneur working for yourself. See what I did there? Selling is a skill you need to master if you want to separate yourself from the crowd. Use code BTM50 to get 50% off and start on your journey to bossdom today. You can find the link down below in the description. By the way, stop binge watching Making Money Online videos because most of them are just a waste of time. After personally watching 501 videos on making money online, I put together a list of proven ways that actually made me some money online, and that's revealed in this video.